everyone, Kaylee Ocampo here, and I'm so excited and honored to share my testimony with you all about my experience with Epic-T. So I started taking this about a month and a half ago now, probably almost 2 months, and from my experience so far, a very smooth transition into feeling more euphoric, more high energy, emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually enhanced. That is the best way that I can put it. There is no extreme high, no extreme low that I have felt that I can pinpoint, but overall, the essence and the light that I feel within me that I felt back in my 20s and I was so saddened to see disappear is now back in my life and has attracted just so much greatness around me because of how I'm walking more confidently in myself. This is what I have experienced so far, and I'm excited to continue the journey as I continue to take Epic-T and get better sleep and eat better and do all the wellness things that complement it as well in your life. But it truly is an epic feeling that I have gotten from this. So I'm so grateful for you, Dr. Tim, for introducing this to me. I mean, they've been testing and doing trial and error for 30 years now with this product to know and understand and that it is plant derived, it is the purest of the form that it can be from something that is holistic. Truly, it actually enables your body to be all that it can be and optimize everything within you. So I'm excited for all of you to try it, and I'm just so grateful again, once again. So thank you, Dr. Tim.